Wealth isn't reserved for the lucky or the privileged. It's built through intention, action, and consistency. Every successful person you admire didn't just stumble into financial success. They created it, brick by brick, with daily habits that align their mindset and actions with their goals. Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful daily rituals that can transform the way you think, act, and attract wealth. These are the habits that separate those who dream of wealth from those who achieve it. Let's get started. Ritual 1. Visualize your wealth goals daily. The first step to attracting wealth is knowing exactly what you're working toward. Clarity creates focus, and focus drives action. Every morning, take a few minutes to visualize your financial goals. Picture the life you want to live, not just the material things, but the freedom, security, and opportunities that come with wealth. Here's why this matters. Neuroscience research shows that visualization activates the same neural pathways in your brain as physically performing the task. When you repeatedly visualize your goals, you condition your mind to believe they're achievable, and your brain starts looking for ways to make them happen. But don't stop at visualization. Write your goals down as well. A Harvard business study found that people who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to be rich," say, "I want to earn $100,000 a year through my online business within the next 2 years." The more specific you are, the easier it is to align your actions with your vision. Ritual 2. Practice gratitude for what you have. Gratitude is the secret sauce to attracting abundance. When you practice gratitude daily, you shift your focus from what you lack to what you already have. This simple mindset shift creates a sense of contentment and confidence that attracts more opportunities your way. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be grand. Sometimes the small things make the biggest difference. It could be the skills you've developed, the people who support you, or even the fact that you have the health and energy to pursue your dreams. Gratitude rewires your brain. Research from the University of California, Davis found that people who practice gratitude regularly experience lower levels of stress and higher levels of optimism. And here's the connection to wealth. When you're in a positive state of mind, you're more likely to see opportunities and take the actions that lead to success. Ritual 3. Track and manage your money every day. Wealthy people know exactly where their money is going, and so should you. Make it a daily ritual to check your bank accounts, review your spending, and track your progress toward your financial goals. This habit isn't just about numbers, it's about building awareness and control. When you track your money, you start identifying patterns. Maybe you're spending more than you realize on dining out or subscription services, or perhaps you notice opportunities to save or invest more. Awareness is the first step to change. Here's a practical tip. At the end of each day, take 5 minutes to review your spending. Ask yourself 2 questions. Did I spend on things that align with my goals? And what can I do tomorrow to improve my financial habits? Over time, these small adjustments can lead to massive growth. Ritual 4. Focus on income-generating activities. If you want to attract wealth, you need to spend your time on activities that directly increase your income. This is a principle that wealthy people live by. They don't waste their energy on distractions or low-value tasks. They prioritize actions that build assets, create opportunities, and grow their wealth. Every day, dedicate at least 30 minutes to an income-generating activity. This could mean improving a skill that makes you more valuable in your career, brainstorming a new business idea, or working on a side hustle. If you're a freelancer, it might be pitching to new clients. If you're in sales, it could be reaching out to leads. Here's why this works. When you consistently focus on actions that grow your income, you build momentum. That momentum leads to results, and those results create more opportunities. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's the result of daily, intentional effort. Ritual 5. Surround yourself with wealth-building energy. The people you spend time with and the content you consume have a huge impact on your mindset. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, scarcity, or people who don't believe in your goals, it's going to be much harder to succeed. Make it a daily ritual to connect with individuals and resources that inspire you. This could mean listening to a podcast about entrepreneurship, reading a book on personal finance, or joining a community of like-minded people who share your drive for success. Remember this: you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you want to attract wealth, surround yourself with people who are striving for financial freedom, who are willing to challenge you, and who celebrate your growth. Even if you don't have a wealthy circle in real life, you can immerse yourself in the mindset of success by consuming content that aligns with your goals. Over time, this energy will push you to level up in ways you never imagined. Wealth isn't just about making money, it's about aligning your thoughts, actions, and habits with the life you want to create. These 5 rituals — visualizing your goals, practicing gratitude, tracking your money, focusing on income-generating activities, and surrounding yourself with wealth-building energy — are the foundation for financial success. The best part? You don't have to overhaul your entire life to start. These rituals take minutes a day, but their impact can last a lifetime. So, here's my challenge to you. Pick one ritual and start practicing it today. Let me know in the comments which one resonates with you the most. And if this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Wealth isn't built by luck. It's built by the choices you make every single day. Let's make those choices count.